Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Jay Education. In this video, we will write about save environment. Let's start. 1. Plant more trees. 2. Stop using plastic. 3. Walk more, drive less. 4. Don't waste paper. 5. Use eco-friendly products. 6. Use jute bags. 7. We should clean our surroundings regularly. 8. Turn off the tap when it's not in use. 9. Switch off the lights when not in use. 10. Avoid burning trash. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.